Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 pops up on the Geekbench with Snapdragon 888 and 12 gigs of RAM. Also, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic prices has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So as we know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming in a month of August, and while Samsung hasn't provided any information about it yet, the foldable smartphone has popped out in many leaks and rumors. In past 3 or 4 days, we are hearing more and more leaks regarding the Z Fold 3. A 360-degree video of the Z Fold 3 has been arrived, and even some specification has been confirmed through FCC listing. So today is not a different date. We have a new leak regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and that has been popped up on the Geekbench with a key specifications. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 that passed through the Geekbench in the US variant has a model number of SMF926U. It is running on Android 11 and coming with a 12 gigs of RAM on board and powered by Snapdragon 888 SoC. Well, this is going to be a surprising move because in the previous leaks we have mentioned that the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset has been out now. Samsung could use that processor inside their devices because it is going to be even more efficient and have much faster performance. But that is not the case now because the new Geekbench listing has showcased that we are not going to see the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset inside the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, the benchmark database does not include any other specs of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but this particular model recently backed through the FCC certification, which reveals that it is going to be supported by S Pen and 5G connectivity in the process, and it will also have the NFC chip on board. The rest of the expected specs include wireless charging and 4275 mAh battery that will draw power through the USB-C port at up to 25 watt. The Z Fold 3 will be featuring two Super AMOLED screen, a 6.23-inch covered display and a 7.55-inch internal foldable screen. While pricing of the European variant has been leaked and basically we are going to see two different models for the Galaxy Watch 4. One is coming with 40mm and the other one is 44mm. And according to the leak, the smaller one will cost you around 350 to 370 euros, while the larger one will be coming with a 380 to 400 euros. These two will be available in black, silver, green and gold color option. While the classic variant of the Galaxy Watch 4 will be offering in two sizes as well, 42mm and a 46mm. The smaller variant will be coming with a 470 to 500 euros and the larger one will be coming with a 500 to 530 euros. So this is going to be a hike in the price for the Galaxy Watch 4, considering the fact this is going to be a new design, two different variants, and also we are going to see for the first time the Wear OS based One UI watch will be coming inside that particular device. So we can expect the prices to be a little bit on the higher side. So all in all guys, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 because it's going to be a device which is going to be one of the best, which is going to be coming with one of the best innovation in the foldable devices. And I hope that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.